Hello guys, welcome back to KPSI e-learning. So guys, today we will see and learn for temporary table. Guys, what is the temporary table? Guys, temporary table, it will work within the session and store the data similar to a table. It will use temp database. So guys, I will give one more explanation here. So guys, if you in the temporary table, we are using into the real time for the for the short duration we want to store the data or we want to play with the data similar to like a table, then we can guys use the temporary table. There are two kinds of the temporary table, guys, local temp table and another one is the global temp table. So first we will discuss for the local temp table. It is saying for it will work in single session and it preceded with single hash. So guys, syntax create table name, hash table name, column 1 data type, comma column 2 data type, comma dot close the bracket. Means in number of the column you can use it as per your requirement. So guys, I have taken one example here. So guys, create table hash temp id int and name char 20. So guys, we will execute this code. You can see commands completed successfully. So now table has been created. I will show you the table structure before inserting the data. So guys, id and name two column has been created. Guys, I will insert few record here. So guys, you can see I have executed that and three rows has been three rows are available here. So you can see the data. So guys, n number of the multiple data for short duration, you can store it similar to a table. But guys, the thing is, it is saying it will work only to the single session. So guys, I will take the new session here. I will paste the same code and it will not execute guys is for it will work only for single session. So another session it will be show at the invalid object name. So that object won't be available. Let's guys talk for the global connectivity. So guys, it is saying it will work in multiple session. It preceded with it preceded with it preceded with double hash. Create guys syntax will be the similar. So just I am pasting the similar for your reference. So when you will do the practice, you will enjoy it. So I am pasting it here and instead of single hash, here you can keep the double hash. And now guys create table double hash temp id in name char 20. So guys I'm executing this. So your table has been created. Now we will retrieve the data. So guys, it will be the similar to the above table. It will show here. And now guys, I will execute the insert statement. So guys, here runtime 3 rows it is showing. And here guys, you can see select a star from double hash temp. So guys, 1, 2, 3 rows has been insert. So guys, it's saying it will work in multiple sessions. So we'll go into the another session and just I will execute this query and guys, you can see your data is available. But guys, what is the meaning of single session and multiple session? Guys, this one is known as the session that you are executing here. It is the 52, that is the one session. And if your code is executed in 52 or 59, that means multiple session. If we'll close the main session, guys, keep it in mind. If we'll close the main session, our this data won't be show. So guys, it will be show like that. So guys, keep it in mind. It will be not show like that. So you have to always run your query according. So guys, this is about the temp table. Guys, for how the we will use the real time implementation, just so that we will talk further our project discussion. Thank you. Have a great day.